Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And now from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards. From the menu, you can get access to all of your payment methods. You can check full list of participating banks, learn how to pay, and check your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. In contactless setup, you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.